Chance natin makes. What does this mean when you're assured of a chance at a playoff for the Final Four spot?
Well, ang importante doon is siyempre yung moral ng team because of course the Final Four.
Dating mag-teammate to, itong si Gab Dagangon at Scotty Thompson back in Davao City when they were playing for Agro-Industrial Foundation College.
Wala, napakalaking bagay nung magbe-best friend kayo nung inyong kabataan. And it really translates.
Pinag-usapan natin with Pop.
Well, kasi nung una pa lang, napakagulo na talaga ang race papuntang Final Four. We thought JRU was gonna be out, but they proved us otherwise. They're all tied at 10-6.
Sa laban na to, he receives the pass, kicks it out to the other side. Triple on the way, it's good. Elimination round dito sa Season 91.
Jamil, he's your go-to guy, but it's important for his other teammates to fill in his shoes. That must be, you know, if you're gonna look at a positive note, importante doon is kapag dumikit man sila.
By Jamil Orduste. Dizon kicks it out to Scotty. Scotty for three! The Pearl! Ating kasama na si Siege Tantenko, still in the running. So abangan po ninyo ang ABS-CBN Sports Twitter and the ABS-CBN Sports Instagram account.
And napakahabang action nun. And for Coach Arik, of course, hindi na pwedeng maulit yun para sa kanyang kupunan. Scored that much, pero yung energy na nabibigay na sa team.
Oh, Mr. Brightside drops the hammer! Isang quarter na lang ang nalalabi dito sa bakbakan sa pagitan ng San Sebastian at Perpetual.
Third. So, if hindi makarecover ang Perpetual dito, baka manaig pa yung 4% slim chance na yun. Salamat po sa inyong suporta sa NCAA, ang mga fellow Cebuanos.
And good afternoon din kay
From Brent Aqueti coming off the bench, yung offensive rebounding and second chance points.
Wow! Jeric Fabian. Just unbelievable heart. 91 ang NCAA para pag-usapan ang mangyayari dito sa komunidad ng Perpetual.